For this class, grab your comfiest clothes, your favorite warm drink, and let's get started. We're going to start standing up and just loosening out the whole body, starting with the head. Taking a breath in, 3 circles around with the neck. After your third one, changing direction. Coming up and down for yes and no. Waking up the neck muscles. Let's add those shoulders in, 3 circles around. Breathing in deep and all the way out, changing direction, 3 circles. Let's loosen out those hips with nice small circles around. Changing direction. Taking a step a little bit wider, pushing side to side. Continue all the way around for circles. And change. Letting that body loosen all the way out. Loosen out the knees now, the ankles. Coming around full body circles, loosening it all out, 3 the opposite direction. Good stuff. We're going to come loosen out those legs, stepping a little bit wider, dropping all the way to one side and then to the other side. For 3, letting that upper body nice and loose. 2, 1, coming back to center, tucking the head in, rounding down. And back up, push through with the chest, breathe in and fold forward. Coming up, pushing through and back down. Coming up, this time hands overhead, stretch through with the chest, big breath in, all the way down, folding down, hanging with the head, rocking from left to right. Getting that full semicircle all the way around, twisting in the spine. Staying down one side, open up through the side muscles, up towards the sky and hold. Swinging across to the other side and hold. Coming back down, rolling up. Hands overhead, taking a big breath in. One more, folding forward. Keeping the knees straight. Back up, breathing in, tilting to the left. In through the nose to the right. Back up, hand behind the head, tilting, looking back. And the other side. We're going to come all the way down, open out through the hips and back up. And all the way down, open through the hips and back up. We're going to come down, make your way down to the floor. 2 hands either side, dropping your way all the way back down. Relaxing down onto the mat, relaxing the toes, elbows in beside your ribs, taking a breath in. Arching, holding, breathing in, coming all the way back down. Readjusting your hands, bringing them back closer to the hips, still elbows beside the ribs, breathing in, arching. Waking up that spine, stretching, reaching the head back, hips staying down, one more, coming back down to the floor. If we can, this time we're getting a little bit higher, toes are relaxed, breathing in, breathing out. Let's open that left hip, bringing it out to the side. Looking back, holding, keeping your body nice and center, equal weight, both left and right hands. Bringing that leg back, open to the other side. And hold. Hold 2. Holding 1. Coming back down, dropping down, elbows stay in, toes tucked, lifting off of the ground, one more time, lifting through the hips, all the way up and hold. Hold 3, hold 2, dropping forward into a plank and hold. Drop the knees down, warming up that body, bring it all the way back down to the floor. One more, breathing in, arching the back, Tucking the toes, lifting the hips. From here, rounding in forward. Rolling back, bending the knees, rounding in. Into that plank, bending the knees, hips go back. One more all the way through. Drop to the knees, drop the hips back to the heels. Relax the head down and hold. Deepening your head down to the ground, open through the armpits. 2. Rolling forward, weight over the hands. Drop the hips, lifting the head, keeping the feet up and hold. Rolling backwards. All the way down, bringing your head down. Tucking the toes one more time. Let's come all the way up. Hips up to the sky, pushing the heels to the ground. Rolling forward, bringing that right leg up with you. Holding up to start. Holding for that stretch. Holding for 4. For 3. Deepen the elbows, reaching your head down towards the floor. Wherever you feel that stretch is comfortable. Bringing the hands out in front and keep walking. Head down, keeping your lower back flat. Holding that stretch. Hold for 3. 2. One more deep breath, melting down into that stretch. Slowly bringing the hands back in. Grabbing that straight leg at the back, pulling it in, looking forward. Tall chest and hold. Holding 3. 2. If you feel like you can, lift that front hand up. Hold. 3. 2. Bringing that hand down, dropping the back leg, front hand comes forward, lifting and swapping. Getting yourself back into that position, lowering down slowly, bringing the elbows out in front. Relaxing the head down and holding. 3 breaths here. So you want to feel a little stretch but no pain. You want that hips to stay nice and flat and equal. Weight is equal left and right. Keep reaching down lower if you feel you can. Slowly coming back in with the hands. Grabbing that leg at the back. If you feel this one is too difficult, you can grab a towel or a resistant band, wrap it around your foot and pull it in. One more breath here, and then again, if you feel you can lift the hand and hold. Opening up through that body, feeling that stretch. Nice long spine, chest up, head forward. 2, 1, coming back down, dropping the legs down, all the way back into our arching here, looking up to the sky and holding. Take a breath in, look back over your right shoulder, get a twist in that head, looking back, breathing in, breathing out, looking back the other side. Coming all the way down to the floor. Wrist back in, elbows by the ribs, arching, pushing yourself up this time, all the way flat. Hips going back, rolling forward. One more time, holding that plank. We're going to step out to the side, holding that stretch. Keeping that chest up, head looking forward, hold. Lifting, reaching up to the roof. Taking a breath in, straightening and bending. Straightening and bending. Dropping that back leg. Coming up with 2 hands, reaching up into the sky, pushing forward. Stretch out through those hips. Hold for 2. One more deep breath. 2 hands coming down. Keeping your elbow and knee beside each other, twisting out, follow with the head hold. Hold for 2. 1, coming down with the hand. Up on the toes at the back, stepping backwards. Other side steps out. First we twist, hold, open. Holding 2. 1, bending, straightening, get those legs even straightener. 2. 1, holding up, reaching up to the sky, stretching out through that body, coming back down, dropping the knee, relaxing the toes, lifting the hands up, hip flexor stretch, pushing forward, spine is tall, breathing in. Coming back down, elbow and knee together. Twisting out, following with the hand. Hold. Holding for 3, 2, 1. Coming back down. Coming back with the knees, sitting your hips back. Relaxing the head down and hold. Holding that stretch, bringing your right hand behind your back. Left hand, not too much weight on your head. The weight is in your hips, sitting back to your heels. Holding the hands behind your back. Or if you feel you can, interlock those fingers and pull the shoulders away from the floor and hold. Hold 2, 1. Coming back down. Coming back up into sitting, flipping the legs through. Straight legs out in front. Chest is up nice and tall, relax the shoulders down. Starting nice and easy, sliding forward, rolling back in. Sliding forward, rolling back in, just keeping those legs nice and flat. Let's go a little bit higher this time, hands overhead, forward. Reaching up, taking your breath in, folding forward. Reaching up, dropping those hands down, relaxing the shoulders and twisting 1. And twisting 2. Twisting 1 and 2. Staying where you are, relaxing those shoulders again, open the legs a little bit wider, twist and dip towards that opposite ankle. Twist and dip. Breathe in and out. 1 more. Hands overhead, big breath in, folding forward, keeping those legs nice and flat, reaching down as far as you can. Hold for 2. 1, coming back up into sitting. We're bringing the legs in this time. You're popping your bum right into the middle of that mat. Hands on the hamstrings, rolling that spine, popping it back up. Rounding. Popping back up, relax the shoulders, hold the legs, holding, getting some heat into that core, in through the nose, out through the mouth, bring those legs in, curling in, stretching out, reaching out, rounding back in and reach it out. Round it in, make your way back down to the floor, relaxing your head down, straighten out one leg, let the other leg fall across your body, keeping that shoulder on the floor at the opposite side. Holding 2, 1, coming back in, we swap legs, one leg down straight, let your body fall. Keeping that shoulder down on the floor, hold 2. Holding 1. Bringing those knees into your chest, loosening out that lower back, lift it off the floor, sliding the hands up if you can, onto the toes, if not holding the shins, pulling the hips wide and low. Knees down as close as you can to your chest. Hold for 3. Hold 2. Hold 1. Drop those legs out, stretching out the hands. Big breath in, nice and long, coming back in, grabbing the legs, rolling up into sitting. Rolling back down, control it. Rolling back up. 1 more, coming all the way down. This time we're going to roll up, pop up into standing. Coming back into the middle of our mat, back to those circles we did at the start, rolling the shoulders for 3. 2, hands overhead, 3. 2, taking a breath in and folding forward. Breathing in, up to the sky and folding forward. Hands up, 1 more big circle. Open those legs wide for balance. Around and up. Around and up. 1 more all the way out and we'll change direction at the top. Breathing in, coming around. 3, 2. Last circle. All the way back up overhead. Take any tension left in the body. Breathing out. Throw it out through the fingers. Breathe in and hold. Breathe out. Let it go. 3 more, in through the nose, up on the tippy toes, tension in the hands, and we throw it back out. 2, breathing in and out. Last one, big one, in, hold it, let it go. Give yourself a clap.